Imagine this for a moment: you're cruising down a long open highway, warm sunlight pouring through the panoramic windows, a smooth ride, no rattling, no shaking, just pure comfort. Behind you, your entire tiny home on wheels, cozy, stylish, and filled with that classic charm you only get from the golden era of American motorhomes. And the vehicle taking you on that journey isn't a brand new luxury RV from today. It's something much more iconic. It's the 1973 GMC Motorhome, one of the most legendary RVs ever built, and even today, enthusiasts still call it the smoothest riding motorhome in history. In this video, we're taking a deep, cinematic look at the original GMC Motorhome, the design, the styling, the engineering, and why this 50-year-old classic still makes RV lovers stop in their tracks. So buckle up, and let's step into one of the most revolutionary motorhomes America ever created. When you first see the 1973 GMC Motorhome, the nostalgia hits instantly. The aerodynamic body, the long smooth curves, the low stance, it doesn't even look like a boxy motorhome from the 70s. GMC designed it with the same mindset they used for their cars: sleek, futuristic, and optimized for highway cruising. Unlike most RVs of that time, this one wasn't built on a truck chassis. GMC created a custom, low-profile frame just for motorhomes. That alone made it stand out. The long fiberglass body, the huge panoramic windows, the dual rear wheels tucked close together for better stability, the low center of gravity, everything about the exterior was ahead of its time. Even the color schemes were iconic, those retro browns, greens, and golden stripes that instantly tell you, this is from the golden age. But it didn't just look different, it felt different. Owners described the driving experience as gliding across the road like a big American car, not a giant RV. Under the hood, the 1973 GMC Motorhome came with a 455 cubic inch V8 engine borrowed from Oldsmobile's performance lineup. That means strong torque, effortless acceleration, and enough power to travel across the country even when fully loaded. But what truly changed the RV world was the front-wheel drive system. Yes, in the 70s, GMC built a front-wheel drive motorhome. Removing the driveshaft gave the GMC Motorhome a much lower floor, which meant more interior space, better traction, and a smoother ride. Pair that with a full air suspension system in the rear, and you get the reason why this RV became famous for its incredible stability at highway speeds. People who drive it today still say, it doesn't feel like a 26-foot motorhome, it feels like a long station wagon. Now let's step inside, because the interior of the GMC Motorhome is where the real charm lives. Open the door and you're welcomed by that warm, vintage American RV vibe. Wood textures, soft lighting, and a cozy living space that feels like a small apartment on wheels. At the front, you have those wide, sweeping windows that make the entire lounge area bright and open. There's usually a sofa that converts into a bed, lounge chairs, and swivel captain seats, perfect for relaxing, reading, or just watching the road ahead. The kitchen is compact but surprisingly functional, with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and plenty of cabinets. Even today, it's impressive how much storage they squeezed into such a low-profile design. In the middle, you get a small but private bathroom with a toilet, compact shower, and sink. Simple, but very smartly arranged. And in the rear, you have your bedroom, either twin beds or a full-size bed, with windows on the sides and overhead compartments. It's cozy, warm, and feels like the perfect place to unwind after a long day on the road. The GMC Motorhome interior wasn't trying to be ultra-luxurious, it was designed to be functional, comfortable, and incredibly well thought out. And that is exactly why people still love restoring and using them today. So what makes the GMC Motorhome still so special? First, the engineering was far ahead of its time. The combination of front-wheel drive, air suspension, a low floor, and a custom frame has never been recreated quite the same way since. Second, the design is timeless. Even today, this motorhome doesn't look outdated, it looks retro-futuristic. Third, the community behind the GMC Motorhome is massive. There are restoration clubs, online groups, and thousands of owners who keep these vehicles alive with passion. Fourth, they are incredibly customizable. People turn them into luxury RVs, retro-themed campers, movie props, food trucks, everything you can imagine. And finally, it simply drives better than most modern RVs. That's not nostalgia, that's engineering. Let's compare it to a modern RV. Many new motorhomes are tall, boxy, and feel more like trucks on the road. But the GMC is low, sleek, aerodynamic, and much more stable. Its handling is still praised by RV owners around the world. Even after 50 years, there is nothing else quite like it. Now I want to know your opinion. If you had the chance to restore a GMC motorhome yourself, Which interior style would you choose? Would you go for the original vintage 70s look, a fully modern luxury interior, or maybe a balanced mix of classic and modern? Comment your answer below. I'm really curious to know what you'd create. The 1973 GMC Motorhome isn't just an RV. It's a piece of American automotive history. It represents freedom, family road trips, and the golden era of highway travel. And even today, when you see one rolling down the road, you can't help but smile. It reminds you of simpler times, of open highways, of adventure waiting just around the corner. If you're a fan of classic RVs, this one stands above the rest. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through a legendary motorhome, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe for more timeless RV stories. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, enjoy the road ahead.